In this guide, I'll show you how to add a center dot to your crosshair in Valorant. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and we're going to go to settings. Then you want to have a look in the top left and you want to navigate over to crosshair. From here, you can use the triggers on your controller to navigate the left sidebar. And first we're going to go to base. Now you can customize your crosshair color here, but we're looking to turn on the center dot. From here, you can customize the center dot thickness as well as the center dot opacity. Now, if you have a look on the left sidebar, you essentially want to repeat this process for focus as well as aim down sights, and sniper scope center dot will be turned on by default, and you can customize it here as well. So I'm going to go to aim down sights and I'm going to turn on center dot and then go to focus and turn it on as well. Now, once you go back in game, you should see that you have a center dot on your crosshair, whether you're in base mode or whether you're zoomed in. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.